We get a rough patch, baby, it's a hell of a ride. And truthfully, you know I miss it when you look in my eyes. Cause since we separated, I ain't been the funniest guy, but you the happiest I seen you when it fucks with my mind. We stayed friends, had motives that we blow this shit up, and show our fans that we ain't bout all of that negative stuff. But then you turned around and stabbed me in the back in the rush. We had it working, but you had to go and smash it all up. And now I'm stuck with all these issues, stuck with all this pain. You knew my past relationships, but did this shit again. Now I gotta fight the fire by adding a little flame. Cause you took my heart for granted and played me like I'm a game. So I don't wanna hear no sorries, I don't wanna hear you speak. I don't wanna hear you sing and hear you drop another beat. I don't want you to apologize or tell me that you love me. I don't never want you back, cause the issues now above me. You just fuck me without realize of what I could do. Cause I could bring your fucking life into the light into you. But realize it's too late to pedal back for the truth. And all because you pissed me off and sent me back to the booth. Bitch, I know shit about your family that could cause a divorce. Bitch, I know shit about your family that could toss them in court. Bitch, I know shit about your family that your fans would support. And if you open up your mouth, I'll toss it back like a sport. Yeah. I wish it didn't have to happen like this. Wish that we could still be friends and be happy as shit. But you hurt me pretty deep, this is mad as I'll get. Man, I ain't never had adrenaline that's lasting like this. I still love you, and I hope you grab the respect of all my fans. But they know you tryna smash at my friend. So don't get your hopes up about having success, cause you gon' lose a lot of followers by acting like this. Saying that you don't believe that you were ever in the wrong, and now you acting positive to try and get along. Posting on your Instagram that I'ma drop a song and try to strangle fans away from it because I dropped a bomb about what really happened. And all your silly actions, because you knew that if they knew, then they would really vanish. Man, I'm a human too, and you knew that they understand it. So instead of coming forward, you decided panic, saying that you might have had a few too many drinks on the night. And that's the reason that you lied about that guy that you like. You told me I was being crazy cause I'm sniffing around. You so manipulated, bitch, you fucking flipped it around. Until I thought that I'm the cause of everything that you did. You made me think that I was worthless, that I lost to my grip. You said I need to get a med so I can stop on my fits. But now I understand that you're the one who caused all that shit. I'm fucking fine now, I said I'm fine now. And all your fans are really about to fucking find out on who you really are inside if you keep running them lips. I tell them all about the part and now you ripping them hits. Or how you fucking call me Poppy while I'm gripping them tits. Or how I beat it up like Rocky when I slipped in that shit. You always said, don't stop please, I'm loving the dick. And they get scared because we fuck without a condom and shit. Yeah, that's just a taste of what I got in my vault. And don't think I won't drop it if you say it's my fault. I used to wish you all the best, now I wish that you fall. I'm done with every shady bitch, this a war in the mall. I know it's hard to hear these words, and you don't understand it. The same when you love came around to cause you damage. But now she with my homie, and I truly couldn't stand it. So I had to stand up and give this bitch the disadvantage. Cause I don't wanna breathe no more. I don't wanna write a rhyme or even read no more. I've been struggling a lot, not off the weed no more. Vision blurry from the liquor, I can't see no more. When we first started talking, you told me that you was different. Convinced me you were good and nothing like all these bitches. I told you I could help you with your channeling career. But in the hype of burning me, you just burn all your bridges. Yeah.